Hi, this is Rajkumar. The aim of this video is to cover what is DOM and what is virtual DOM. And we see first what is DOM. DOM is a document object model. It is a document and the document looks like object. Here each element is object. Uh, for example, this HTML element is object. This body element is object. Here each element is object with parent-child relationship. Then basically it is a tree-like structure. Then why we need DOM? By using JavaScript, we can manipulate the DOM and we can change the particular HTML element. This element, for example, this is a facebook.com. Once we type facebook.com, we will get a response from the server. That response has HTML and CSS and JavaScript file of Facebook. So after getting the response, it will create the DOM in the browser. So while we insert that browser, we can able to see the DOM. So why we need React here? What is the purpose of using React? React is commonly a JavaScript library that is used by the front-end developer. A front-end developer is someone who creates this website or web applications. So if we need to change this Facebook heading, I want to change this Facebook and now assume that I am going to change the Facebook heading alone. We doesn't need to reconstruct or recreate the DOM again. We can only change the particular element alone by using the virtual DOM. So React creates the virtual DOM. So think this is the original DOM and it has an H1 element. In the H1 element, Facebook is there. Assume that the H1 element has Facebook. So we need to update the H1 element. For that, by using the React will create the virtual DOM. If we made any update or if we change the element, that changes will reflect only in the virtual DOM, not in this original DOM. So now I change Facebook to Instagram. Think like that. Now I'm change this Facebook to Instagram. So now I am updated the virtual DOM alone. So it will create the updated virtual DOM after my change is done. Facebook to Instagram, the React will create the updated virtual DOM. So now what happens? React uses a diffing algorithm. That means it will compare the updated virtual DOM with the previous version of the virtual DOM. So now we can able to clearly identify that this element alone we need to change in the original DOM. Now React will update the original DOM based on the updated virtual DOM. So what happens here? We doesn't need to reconstruct or recreate the original DOM. We can change the particular element alone. So React has the virtual DOM. So by using the virtual DOM, we are updating the particular element alone. While we made changes in the particular element, React will create the updated virtual DOM. So now the updated virtual DOM will compare with the previous version of the virtual DOM. So by comparing, we are able to clearly identify this is a updated one. So now the updated virtual DOM will updated the particular element alone in the original DOM. This will increase the application faster. So this will make application faster. So this process is commonly called reconciliation. Okay, I conclude that you are able to understand the virtual DOM and DOM. So after watching this video, can you comment where the DOM stored? And if you like this video, please do subscribe.